Salut! Hello everyone! In this session we're going to take a look at indirect object pronouns in French. So students have been asking how you know the difference between a direct versus an indirect object pronoun and when to use. And it's fairly simple once you know to look for a verb plus a or a verb plus preposition. When you have a verb plus a, you're going to use an indirect object pronoun. Our indirect object pronouns are lui and leur. And then again you have me, te, nous, and vous. So lui means him, and lui means her. Leur means them. For the first position, when you have a subject plus a verb, the indirect object pronoun will go before the verb. For example, je parle à Jean, I talk to John. Je lui parle, I talk to him. Now in French it sounds like saying I, him, talk, but in English we say I talk to him. For the next position, we have subject plus verb plus infinitive. And when you have subject plus verb plus infinitive, the indirect object pronoun will go before the infinitive. For example, je vais parler à Jean. I'm going to talk to Jean. Je vais lui parler. I'm going to talk to him. For the next position, you have a subject plus verb plus a past participle. And here we are referring to the passé composé or a past tense that we use in French. And this is actually the auxiliary. So when you have subject plus auxiliary plus past participle, your indirect object pronoun will go before your auxiliary. For example, j'ai parlé à Jean. I talked to Jean. Je lui ai parlé. I talked to him. And then we have the command. The command is a verb without a subject. For example, you're asking someone to do something like stand up, sit down, pass the potatoes. Here, your indirect object pronoun will come after the verb with a hyphen. For example, parle à Jean, talked to John. Parle lui, talk to him. I hope this helps.